Meet Glowforge, the 3D laser printer that lets you make magical things at the push of a button. With a Glowforge 3D laser printer in your home, your next creation is never far away. Your Glowforge lets you take your designs from idea to reality. Print on dozens of beautiful materials like fabric, paper, leather, and wood. Anything you imagine, you can bring to life. Create meaningful gifts for friends, something personalized just for you, or unique products to sell. Glowforge makes it easy for anyone to see where their ideas take them. Just use a pen to draw directly onto your materials and watch your designs take shape. Your Glowforge sees the design and does the rest. From curiosity to creation, from imagination to invention, you never know what ideas you'll launch next. When you don't want a design from scratch, you can browse and print from the Glowforge design catalog, personalize a design to create something truly unforgettable. With Glowforge, you'll find inspiration all around you. So when a big idea strikes, you'll be ready. The Pro Pass-Through unlocks your largest, most ambitious plans. Put it to work for you, creating something impactful, even furniture. DIY projects take on a whole new meaning. Transform your home with stunning creations. Spend time making more than just memories. Make more with Glowforge.